Hello! Welcome to Stories by the Sea. Today we'll read this book with you. The title of this book is Little Excavator. It was written and illustrated by Dewdney. From this book, we're going to learn that little E was way too small to do anything on the construction site. But then there was one special task just for him. Let's find out what it was. Are you ready? Let's read the story.
Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy, he goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grarm goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smoosha, smoosha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Vroom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Brum goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator, someday when you're big. Whir goes the toll crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E stretching, he gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end.